Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make paper bonbons. First, gather your essential materials. You will need colorful paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a reliable ruler. Don't forget glue or double-sided tape to secure your creations. For extra flair, consider adding ribbon and small treats to fill your finished bonbons. These simple items are all you need to begin this fun craft project. Now, let's prepare your paper. Begin by cutting your chosen paper into rectangles, ideally around 6 inches by 4 inches. Next, fold the paper accordion style along the longer edge, making sure your folds are even. Take your time to crease each fold firmly. This will give your bonbon a neat and professional appearance. Precision here makes a big difference in the final result. With your paper folded, it's time to assemble. Carefully secure the ends of your accordion folded paper together using a small amount of glue or double-sided tape. Once the seam is secure, gently push the center of the paper outwards to create that classic rounded bonbon shape. Finally, tie off each end with a pretty ribbon or a piece of string to complete the look. Your paper bonbon is almost complete. Now for the fun part, filling and decorating. You can add small candies, tiny trinkets, or even a personalized message inside before fully closing the ends. Feel free to decorate the outside with glitter, stickers, or custom tags to match any theme. These delightful paper bonbons make charming party favors or lovely small gifts for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.